sé que tú tienes la clave. Baila conmigo esta canción.
Hey, welcome back to the Fabeola Life and the Great Mexico Adventure. Today we are in Puerto Vallarta and we are staying in this beautiful Airbnb that we wanted to show you guys, starting with this magnificent
pool.
Not just a pool, babe.
A rooftop pool.
A rooftop pool, which was the main reason why we wanted to stay here. It is glorious. So this is a condo in the middle of Puerto Vallarta. It's kind of closest to the marina.
Yeah.
If you're familiar with the location, maybe about 15-minute drive from the actual shore and more of like the touristy strip. And it is gorgeous. Like out here you have 2 cabanas that you can lounge in. You have an outdoor shower if you wanted to use that after the pool. There's plenty of seating. They do have a bar set up here, as well as the bathrooms here that you can use while you're out. If you don't want to be in the pool, you can just enjoy the beautiful view. On this side, you're going to see more of the shore where obviously all of the hot spots are by the ocean, and on the other side you can take a look of the mountain view that is right behind us. So this is our second day here. The kids have obviously already enjoyed the pool.
They're enjoying it right now.
Yes, and it's kind of cool because it almost looks like an infinity pool because you can get a glimpse of everything on the other side. But we're gonna take you now into our actual apartment which we've been staying at, so let's take a look. On the 5th floor, let's take a look. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. When you first walk in, there is like a
door locking.
It's a padlock for the Airbnb. But when you first walk in, we do have access to a washer and dryer, which is really nice, especially since we're traveling with kids. It's like a little utility area with a little sink, and then you have the main bathroom. It seems like a lot of places in Mexico they have like the open kind of a concept of the shower, so there's not really like a door, you just walk in, which is a good feature, a nice feature. And then just the basic toilet, sink situation, and then across from that is like the secondary bedroom, which the kids are staying in. Hi! There's 2 twin-size beds, have a good storage closet, and they do have actually a pretty nice view with the window because you can, on their end, you can kind of see more of the city out towards the mountain. You can kind of see their view. They have a little bit of like the parking lot view, but then looking out, you can see the range of the mountains, which is really nice.
And you can open the window.
And you could open the window if you wanted to, which we have not opened the window for them.
Yeah, for safety reasons.
Yes. And then as you walk from their room, you'll enter going straight into the master bedroom. And it's a king-size bed. Again, you have another view. This is a different angle. This is kind of more looking to the city or to the ocean front, which is beautiful. So huge bed. It's actually pretty comfortable when we stayed in.
Yeah, it was decent.
Yes, we do have a TV. And 2 storage units if we needed it, and then you have the master bedroom, which is a pretty similar setup to
Master bathroom,
which is a pretty similar setup to the main bathroom. Just the same shower, the toilet, and then the sink. But then this is part of why we like this
best
space.
parts.
The view. Open concept living room, dining room, kitchen. So very convenient. We have had lots of like lunches, breakfasts with this setup.
Breakfasts? Is that
breakfast? But you turn around and look at the view. Like this whole.
It's the whole 180 degrees.
Yes. And again, this side is going towards like the oceanfront view. This side is going towards the mountains. So it's just, everything is just open. And both of these doors, they open. So we have had lots of time outside. This side opens, that side opens. There's some seating areas out here. And obviously they're doing a little bit of construction, so we might hear some of that during the day. But you can come on the other side.
Yeah, this is my coffee spot every morning.
Out and chill. And then you can always come in and out depending on which direction you want to go through. So this has been like our favorite feature since we've been here. It's been awesome. And it's always, well, the weather has been
wonderful.
Wonderful.
In Puerto Vallarta, very little rain.
Yeah,
if
there's
any at
barely
all.
any clouds like since we've been here. We've been here for maybe, what, 3 days?
Yeah.
There's no clouds, there's no rain. It's
85
hot.
during the day and 75 at night.
Yes.
Beaches everywhere.
Everywhere. So that is it. This is our place that we're staying. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please give us a thumbs up and check out all of our other videos while we're here in Puerto Vallarta. And we will see you in the next one.